Hey guys, this is Mike from BTech Reviews here, and today we take a look at and unbox the Switch Plate Nintendo Switch wireless control. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we want to check out the Nintendo Switch wireless control. I bought this from Target, guys, and it's $39.99. I'm going to see if I can find an affiliate link for you guys down below to check out from Amazon. At least, you guys know I'm an Amazon affiliate. But anyways, this control is made by Mobile Gaming Corp. I actually just recently started seeing these in Target. And it is again one of the least expensive controls that I've seen out there. And the cool part is this is actually compatible with Windows PC, so you do not just have to use it with the Nintendo Switch, right? Now, of course, granted, like maybe the buttons might change to like A down here instead of B if you're playing like a Windows PC game that's affiliated with like Xbox. But anyways, that's pretty cool. I think I might want to see if this is compatible with my Xbox Series S game console as well. But anyways, the reason why I bought this is because it's very inexpensive, and I bought a new Nintendo Switch that I'm going to be testing this out on, right? And I wanted to see, how this works, etc. like that. So let's go ahead and get this, this item unboxed here for you guys. I do have to bust out a knife since it is. They do have like little control things here on the side, and the cool part about this controller here actually is it has face plates, so you can actually either choose to use this in black or white. So we're going to check that out right now. And again, for $39.99, I think it's a lot cheaper. I think their next cheapest control is $49.99, which is it's like an Afterglow wireless control. Nothing else inside the box there that you guys can see there. I think the packaging is actually pretty nice considering. So again, here's the remote itself, and here's what it comes with. It does come with a USB Type-C cable, which is a very long-looking cable, by the way. I didn't really think it was going to be that long. Instruction manual, you guys know what we do with instruction manuals, and it comes with a Mobile League card. I don't know exactly what this is, but it says you hold in your hand a VIP access MGS Community Tournament League by joining our exclusive Discord. Yeah. Okay, let's throw that aside for now. Again, not to knock on the Mobile Gaming League. I don't have anything against them whatsoever. But this is an unboxing of the control. So first of all, it's definitely not as big as I thought it would be. It's kind of snug. Smaller than the last couple of wireless controllers that I've had here. Let's take a look all the way around it just so you guys can kind of see though. But the buttons do feel good in the hand. I can tell you that for sure. The joysticks are a little on the soft side. I wish these were a little bit grippier. So that could hinge. If you guys are trying to play some sort of competitive gaming. Triggers, they feel pretty okay. They don't feel cheap. I mean, they feel a little, I don't know how to explain it. What's the word that I want to use here? Not bland, but I feel like they're not very sturdy. Like, let's see, like if I'm pressing that down, it doesn't feel bad. Like, I'm not saying it feels bad in whatsoever, but I guess for a $40 controller, you're paying what you get for. So check this out. It does come with 2 more trigger buttons in the back, so I'm pretty sure like this will go to PC games that you can kind of custom tweak the controls, and maybe even some regular games on the Switch there. But of course, you have that USB Type-C charging link on top. I think it's a little long considering. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's kind of like deep in there. Really not a bad feeling controller though, like to say the least. It does have a dedicated home button, a plus minus, and obviously your select button, and then of course this is, I would assume this is your on button. But I don't know. I mean, I think it's interesting because it does say, comes with a faceplate. So let's check out the other faceplate. Here it is right here. The black faceplate, and sorry if you guys see a fly flying around. There is a fly flying around bugging the heck out of me. And maybe it'll feel better with the faceplates. I don't know. Maybe we'll see. But as you can see here, I think it's pretty cool that at least they give you the option of a faceplate. You know what I mean? So, and I like the white color. Don't get me wrong. I like the white color. But let's just see. Does this just snap on? Does this just snap? I don't know. Or do I have to remove the other faceplate? I don't know. I don't know how exactly this works exactly, guys. I'm thinking you might have to, I think the other faceplate is actually removable. I thought it was just bend and snap, but I guess let's take a look at the instruction manual. I might have to look at the instruction manual. Actually, you know what? No, hold on. Wow, okay, this just pops off. Hold on. Okay, let's check this out, guys. Wow, okay. Okay, and the remote's turning on, sorry. But the white face does just come off, so check that out. Look at that. Bare bones, it's a bare bones naked remote. So, and again, you can just literally pop the faceplate back on, and actually I'm kind of digging the black controller now. And look, it just literally pops on. Pretty cool. Okay, let's see if I can figure out how to set this up with my Nintendo Switch. Okay, so I did figure out how to get this going here. So just so you guys can see, I do have it paired with my Nintendo Switch already. So to get it paired, all you have to do is just hit the home button. And then once you hit the home button, you have to go to, you hold the home button for 3 seconds, right? And then you go to system settings, right? And then you go to, obviously, controls and sensor. And then you go to change grip order. You click that. And okay. This is gone now, unfortunately. So pretty much what all you have to do is just hold this down for 3 seconds. Like I said, 1, 2, 3, and there we go. So it says paired. I just hope that you don't have to pair it every single time. I'm hoping that it does remember this. Let's take a look if it does or not. Let's see if I can turn the remote on and off, and then we'll go from there. So here we go. Let's go ahead and turn the let's go to sleep mode. Sleep mode, and then let's go ahead and just press the home button. Yeah, there we go. So it did turn on the device. I guess it did recognize it. Yeah, you got to hit that 3, 1, 2, 3, and that's it basically. Look at that. Okay, so again, let's go ahead and put this away. Pretty interesting stuff, guys. Again, you know, what do you guys think about the remote so far, though? You know, again, the only thing, I haven't even installed any games on this yet. Again, I will be installing Pokemon Shining Pearl on here so I can play this. But I think it does feel okay. You know what I mean? Like I'm not having any input issues as far as like, you know, pressing left, right, select, whatever. You know what I mean? Going to my Mike the Business page. Like there you go. You guys can add me if you guys can see that. I don't know if let's see. I don't really have a lot of friends on here, but if you guys want to add me, my friend code is there. I'm only going to show this once probably, so if you guys hit me up on the live stream, we'll do that. But you guys can see there that I played probably 100 hours or more of Animal Crossing, and I really haven't played a lot of games. Like, well, let's see if I can zoom back in there, but I do have some friends here, so you know, we'll go from there. But yeah, guys, I mean, hey, you know, pretty okay. So again, we'll see how the rest of this goes, and you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing of this nice little controller. Again, $39.99. I'll see if I can post out an affiliate link. And again, it does have interchangeable faceplates as well, which I think is pretty cool. Again, I don't know if I'm going to stick with the black or go with the white. I think both look pretty cool, if I can be 100% honest. So again, guys, Mike from BTech Reviews signing off. Thanks again for watching the video. Smash the like button, and we'll see you guys next time.